What if every single person on Earth sneezed at the exact same time? That's 8 billion sneezes, basically a worldwide hurricane powered by noses. Each sneeze shoots out air at up to 100 miles per hour. Multiply that by everyone, and you get a shockwave strong enough to ruffle hair in Australia from New York. Local weather stations would call it the sneeze-nado of the century. Would it blow over buildings? Probably not. Would it launch a billion tissues into low orbit? Absolutely. And the pollen count? Let's just say allergy season just went global. Nobody asked, but you're welcome. Gesundheit, planet Earth!